Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 chapter number 23 Linear Graphs exercise 23a question 4. Plot the points A 2, 1, B -1, 3, C -3, 0 and D 0, -2. Join the points to make the figure ABCD. What is the name of the figure? Fine. So without any ado, right, I have prepared this axis, right, the graph, and we have to join these points together. First we have to plot them and then we have to join them, A, B, C and D. Okay, what is A? A is 2, 1, and as I told you that we have to follow the alphabetical order x, y. So first number represents the x-axis, right? Similarly the second number represents the y-axis. Okay, so that way we will be doing this. So 2, 1 means 2 on the x-axis, right? I'll bring the graph here. You can see 2 on the x-axis and 1 on the y-axis. That means this point here exactly, right? We'll put a dot over this, we will circle this, and this is going to be called as A, that is 2, 1. Fine. Now look here. We have the second point, that is B -1, 3. Okay, -1 on the x-axis, this one right here, and +3 on the y-axis, so this way, right? You can see this point right here, as you can see this one, right? This point you can put a dot on it and then circle it like this. Okay, and this is your B. Okay, B, right? And what you will write this as -1, 3. Fine. Now the next one we have C -3, 0, right? Similarly here -3 on the x-axis. On the y-axis C is 0, as you can see here, right? So we don't need to go anywhere above or below the y-axis 0. That means this point only, you put a dot over this, fine, and then you circle this up like this. This is point C. Okay, C. What is this? -3, 0. Okay, then point D 0, -2. 0 is right here on the x-axis, right? And then -2 on the y-axis, -1, -2 right here. Okay, we have to put a circle on it and like this. Okay, which is going to be 0, -2. Okay, now we have marked all the points as you can see on this graph. Okay, A, B, C and D. Now it's time we can take the ruler and we have to join all of these points together. Okay, and that will make a figure for us, that will form a figure. Okay, you can join them one by one in any order, right? The order doesn't matter, fine, but they should be joined using straight lines, that is using the ruler. Fine. Okay, similarly these two also we are going to join, right, like that. Okay, and then these two as well. Fine. Now we have been asked to tell which figure is formed here, and I don't think I need to tell you. You can pretty clearly see that the figure formed here is a square, right? Because you can see here all the sides are at equal distances, right? You can see there's a gap of equal blocks in each of them, right? And this figure that's formed here, it's a square. We can just see it just by looking at it, right? So we can write it down that the answer formed, right? They're asking us the name of the figure, right? What is the name of the figure? So you can write it down. The name of the figure is what? Square. All right. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.